Hey everybody, today I wanted to do a video on my Altoid survival tin. I've seen a couple videos of it and I wanted to give you guys my take on mine. It's taken me about a year to get to this point, and let's get to it. So you're going to see, first thing you're going to see, all around the tin I got electrical tape. Keeps it water resistant and it helps keep the lid closed. I keep about a foot of it on. Put that to the side. Alright, first thing you're going to see when you open it, it's cotton. It's a good fire starter. Catches sparks pretty good. Next I got 5 matches and a toothpick with a clamp around them, so I know where I can get them quick. Next I got a roll of dental floss with some cotton in there as an emergency. Got a button compass. Got a little pocket knife. Miniature one. It's supposed to go on a keychain. South bend. It's got a knife, pair of scissors, a couple other tools. Got a magnesium rod. I can use a knife to strike it with. I have 2 Q-tips in here. Cut them in half. They can be used to clean things or take the cotton off the top. Got some fishing line. Can use that for about anything. Got some tackle for fishing. A button. A sink for fishing. Or a weight. Got a small pencil with electrical tape wrapped around it. 2 different rolls. Plastic bag with rubber bands around it. 2 of them. Some tin foil. Make a cup out of it. Boil some water. 2 band-aids. Got $21 hard cash. Straight up ballin'. I have 3 sticky notes. Got a miniature saw blade. This goes with the toolkit. If I just put it in here, you never know. Cigarette. Two alcohol prep pads. First aid and fire starting. A razor. And 2 nails. I also, in the box, have a striker super glued to the side for the matches. And at the top, I have a needle for sewing. 2 small fish hooks, can't see them. Paperclip, and 2 safety pins. That is all the content of my survival kit. I feel very confident with all of this, and I feel like I can make it. If I just had this kit, I can make it out there for a while. But let me know what I left out. You know, no tin this big can support all your needs if you're in a survival situation. Well, this by itself cannot, but it's going to give you a shot. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you later.